What you see here, tomatoes, give you a nice quick update. Really grew big. May have some seeds coming out here, some flowers. I want to say maybe in the next couple of days. Maybe. That's what that looks like right there. Right there. We'll see. Get you right over to the golden dewdrop. Just look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A new stem is coming out. More flowers. More leaves, I should say. There's the lemon tree. Look at that. It's got a couple more there too. There too. The apple's even doing good. And even, finally, the lemongrass is growing. I was just about to give up on that. But this is what amazes me. You may not see it. On the very top, I just gave this water the other day and it, boy, did it downpour. Right here, look at that bad boy go. Look at those buds. That will come out any day. Even the back over there, flowers. Flower buds all along, wherever they're red. That's the new growth. Beautiful. You want to stick to this update and watch the growth grow.